they're collecting samples, basically scraping some of the debris samples away to enable engineers to better characterize what may be causing this wear and tear on the outboard race ring.
While Peg is doing that, Dan, would you, if you were to do that kind of scraping along the whole surface, do you think you just generate a cloud of debris coming up, or what? What do you think?
Yes. Yes, I think it would feel exactly the same all the way around, and you would liberate, more debris, but it would all look the same. It would look the same as the debris that's already been liberated, I think.
Yeah, I don't think it's that much different than the debris we pick up with the tape.
All right. And Dan, when you get the durometer out, we want a baseline reading on the skirt just outboard of the outer canted surface, since there's not enough pristine canted surface to get a baseline on.
Okay. To the cover that's open, the cover 7.
Okay.
Okay, and correct the location for the durometer reading, Dan. Do it on the tang that contains the joggle.
Let me make sure I understand. The tang is the same piece of metal that the canted surfaces are on.
It's not the canted part, yes.
This part, right?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, I was...
all right, well, that doesn't look right.
Yeah, do it on the, in between the joggles, the material that is the same 15.5 as the ring.
Right. Yeah.
That's what I was thinking. I just wasn't saying it right. Sorry.
Yeah.
I got a baseline reading of 81. Doesn't seem right.
Okay, and 2 other desired locations, if possible. One is near the gear teeth, and the other one is near the tang.
85. You try. You want to try it?
Using the durometer, this tool to measure the surface characterization of the race rings and any depth of erosion that has been caused by the wear and tear of the trundle bearing pressure as the race rings have been rotating.
Again, 0.
Okay, great.
Okay. All right,
those are good numbers. I see where you're trying close to the tang now.
Yeah, I got 82 on that. The problem is, the only way to get 0 is to be able to kind of really push it all the way against a flat surface, all the way around. Then you can get a 0 on it.
Oh, I see, yeah.
But then, in order to do that, when you get on this uneven surface, I don't know.
Yeah.
If it's not undamaged, it's flaking off.
Yeah, big flakes coming off. Relatively big flakes.
And that time I got 93.
I go in next to the gear,
Okay.
so that half of it's on that unblummer surface.
This view from Peggy Whitson's helmet camera. Once again, the purpose of measuring the depth of the surface damage to the race rings is designed to try to correlate the preloads that have been set in these trundle bearing assemblies in an effort to isolate where the most likely cause of wear and tear may be coming from.
6 mils is about right.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. So I should do cover. Which cover is Dan going after next?
He's going to go backwards to...
I don't want to be in his
he's
way.
going backwards to 13, so you should be out of your way. You can close up 15.
Okay. All right.
mirror here, so if you think you can get a...
Why don't we try it right now, just to give it a shot again?
Okay, let me put the durometer away.
Actually, if you put the mirror in, maybe I can see through this hole through the goggles.
Okay.
And see it without having to try and figure out which surface we're bouncing off of.
Yeah, we'd rather you press on, get the cover on, and I think we've got enough on the mirror for now.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
All right, no problem.
So big picture, Dan's going to do 13. Peggy, close up 15, put the cover back on, then you're going to go to 18.
Copy.
So, should I put the mirror away?
Yeah, I think you can put the mirror away right now.
Okay. I'll put it back in my acrylic back here.
Okay.
Some right here.